This video, we are going to go over how to start and stop a cut. So, as I pretend that essentially when I was cutting this feature, my tip went bad, maybe I had a collision, one of these things tipped up, something happened, right? I need to physically restart where I'm at. I find where I'm at in the G-code, as just went over in another video. I then disable my torch. So I find where I'm at. This is my line of G-code, right? This is the start, this is the stop of this feature that I selected. If I select this feature, it will then bring me to the G-code of that feature itself. Start, stop. I want to initiate the touch off again, and I want it to basically find out what the height of the material is, start moving, and then I'm going to enable my torch once it physically is about ½ inch away from where I left off. So I will go M5, hit run from line. It will then go back to the previous feature and then touch off. I will enable my torch once it comes back around to wherever I left off. So find your feature, select your M5 above it if you want to go behind and recut this part. Select the M5 at the end of this feature if you would like to skip this part. Disable torch, run from line, enable it when you're ready to start cutting. It's that simple.